That's that one lane thing I was telling you about.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Bridge, but I guess it's not. It's just a narrow road.
I remember coming up here with you when we did our Tantalus one.
Yeah.
And then had the guys with their bikes over there.
Oh, yeah.
Ginger!
I was like, who are you showing me?
I know. I gotta do slow movements of my head. Oh, am I going first? Okay.
Well, yeah, because you have the head camera.
Oh, okay.
You are not on phone.
Nice to have your hands free. Like today, I have my hands free.
Pick your nose and dig your ear.
Yeah, right. I can pick my nose and dig my ear at the same time.
That's your butt.
But also I can hold a ginger in my hand and a walking stick. Ooh, it got dark all of a sudden. I think we are in the haunted forest now. No, it's not koke, I know, but it's a different kind. Oh, look, there's a native snail habitat here. Do not cut or disturb plants. Do not collect snails. Do not cut ginger and lay.
I want to see a native snail.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm reading a sign. I didn't see one yet.
He also teaches how to...
$50 a day, but at least we gave him $20 because oh my gosh, that would have been real shame. How pretty, the flower in your hair.
I know. Can you smell nice?
Yeah, that's why I like it too. So I'm carrying it. Can you guys smell it? It's so good, this. Smell-o-vision. I love this wall of ferns. Wow.
I just want this whole scenery.
And here's another gushing place. Yeah. Wow, you can even see the water path when it's. It looks like a trail though.
I think it made this
Yeah, I think
ditch.
over time water rushing down. And look, even the I don't know, that's the walls, I guess. Oh, you're right.
Like, I don't know what kind.
What is that?
I don't know, emu. No.
Yeah, maybe.
Like emu.
Right.
That's what it looks like.
Maybe. Or
Along all sides, right?
yeah.
Or this one is
Yeah.
not as nice.
Well, it's probably deteriorated over time. Maybe there was a top over it. I don't know.
Oh, that's interesting.
Or if it was an emu, they would have.
Ooh, let's see what still slick. I know people.
Wow. Look at this tree.
Oh, this tree is so cool.
Oh yeah, super sketchy going to group.
What do you think the original tree was of this?
I don't know.
There's not even like one trunk.
Yeah, it's because it. Oh, you know what? I think this is the original, and it leaned over, and it started to grow. Wow!
Oh, wait. Oh my god.
Look at that huge rock.
Jeez.
Oh, that is such a neat.
So, Kalawahine Trail, we will continue that way, or Manoa Cliff Trail. And there's that information for Tantalus Trailway map. Yeah, they have a whole bunch of trails, yeah? Oh wow, look, there's a stairway that goes up there.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, okay, cool.
That was it.
Please, stabilization work, okay.
What is this? Triple truck loop. We'll look at it later.
Maybe that was another time,
Oh, you get another chance. I would do limbo.
another place. A Thor Thagum thing or something. It was, me and Peter used to play Dungeons and Dragons.
Scary, but
It's like the crabs.
yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I'm not watching this older one called
Puddles.
Okay, when are we gonna go there?
Ooh, what does this sign say? Kalawahine Trail. Ooh, this is
Oh,
step here, and you will begin your journey.
This wasn't here.
Don't step on the sides, because then you'll go off into another dimension. Where am I going, Peter? Right or left?
Try to look at the map.
look at the map.
I think left.
Both sides say Pa'o Falls are Pa'o Flats. Which way did you guys go?
He went left.
Left?
I bet you're right. If he was going to the peaks, then left.
Wait, what does this sign say over here? There's another sign. Rapid or here death has been detected in the area. Do not injure or hit trees.
Sorry. Okay, go.
Rapid or here death.
Oh.
I didn't see any.
Oh, here. Is that the one with the red flower?
To the left. To the left.
Peter said to the left. Let's go to the left.
That's the way I do it. I hardly go there anymore.
Be careful when you step on here.
Oh,
I'm just letting you know it moves. Don't freak out.
oh yeah.
This, step lightly. Yeah. I don't want you falling forward or something.
You gotta tell us about all these dangers.
Oh my gosh.
Unexplored hurricane.
So this is the Pa'o Flats Trail that we were on. Yeah, and then that's a Nuuanu Trail over there. Nuuanu. Maybe that's why they built these. I don't know.
This one here.
I'm drawn to this bamboo forest with a big tree in the middle of it.
So what you... Slippery. Careful.
Hold on to the bamboo.
Hold on to the bamboo? Okay. I already went halfway, so here I go. Hey, this is part of the adventure. You know, I just didn't want to slip on that. That one looked muddier. Oh, look, I made it.
Yeah.
Over here is also muddy. So you gotta make like a monkey and hang on to the twig.
Oh, my shoes are pulling up.
Oh no. In the mud. Okay, I did it. Hey, it's going down the middle.
Yeah, I bet you if you turn your foot sideways so you kind of cross on it, I bet you
Should I do that?
it wouldn't be that bad.
Wait, let me try.
But use your stick too.
Oh yeah, go side.
No faith walking. You're gonna end up in the mud.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, squishy.
I think it's not,
Yeah, okay, you're right.
okay. Hey.
Oh, my shoes are heavy. Why don't you just stop and adjust this?
Uh-oh, wait.
What?
No. I don't want to forward your camera.
It's okay if you forward the camera.
No.
It won't break.
Wait.
I have batteries and everything in my hand. Sorry, hi.
Okay, here's where the professional photography kicks in.
Hey, how's it?
That's it.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how's it? Yeah, they could have been. Nah, remember that one guy passed us? Morning, hi. Whew.
Morning.
Hi, morning. Wow, beautiful view. Holy cow.
hiking today. Go all the way.
Oh, no, come back down. Yeah, go back down. That's too manly a trail.
Geared up, I don't have to go.
Okay, I'm just gonna do faith recording. Faith Yanagi.
Now we're going down here, so we gotta be more careful not to slip.
Oh, right.
Chance of us slipping going down.
Right. That's right. Hi, morning.
Good morning. Ultra.
Hi, morning. Hi. Morning. Yeah, no worries. Such a nice day. Morning. Okay, see you later. I know. I don't know why I said see you later, but I mean, I don't know my camera angle. That's why. Oh, runner. Hi, morning. Wow. So this rock used to probably be super moist, and now it's like drying up. Morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry. Thank you.
No worries.
Hi, Peter. Are you running around?
Yeah, I think I ran past you near you lake recently.
Yeah, I walked everyone.
I'll say hello to you now.
Morning. Hi.
See the 1 mural on the side of the building?
I think he was making his way across and he got stepped on, maybe. Oh, that's it.
Oh, here's a
Kalawahine.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell so you can get notifications every time we post a new video or we go live. We're also on Twitch live and YouTube live. Check out our Patreon if you want to join our Patreon team. And we also have a PayPal link if you want to contribute to us in that way. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Aloha.